Hi everyone! Today we are making hen suya. I love hen suya, and depending on how spicy you like it, you can modify this to your taste. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you can get new videos from me, and like this video. Alright, let's cook. So first we need to get our chicken prepped. It's going to be a butterfly cut, so we need to cut out the backbone so that it can lay flat on its back and grill from both sides. Next, we're going to lay the chicken on its back and break the breastbone so it can lay down flatter. For our suya mix, we're going to be using the suya mix we made last week. So 1/3 cup of suya mix, 1/3 cup of crushed peppers, and 1/3 cup of cayenne pepper, and about a teaspoon of olive oil. Mix it together, and we're going to use that for our marinade. Let's start with sea salt. We're going to put sea salt all over the chicken and inside of the chicken. Then we're going to add our marinade inside of the skin and all over the chicken. Then I'm going to take a metal skewer and stick it from the right and the left so that my thighs stay together during the grilling process. Next, we're going to allow our chicken to marinate overnight. Grill it at about 400 degrees and voila, you're done. That looks so delicious. I'm going to remove the metal skewer, then cut down the middle. Suya is not suya without onions and tomatoes, so I'm going to serve this with a side of onion and tomatoes and some more suya powder because I like my suya very spicy. Thank you so very much for watching my video. Please like this video if you haven't done so already. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. You guys have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you guys later. Bye.